Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Not much to say, but this is pretty weird because I'm selling the wheels on the E46 today. Say goodbye to those wheels right there. They will be missed. So I got the wheels. I like them. So the wheels are pretty dope. I'm sorry if there's wind noise. I don't feel like putting the mic on. The one huge L that I got by putting the wheels on is I got a stupid amount of monster truck fitment now. Yeah. So let me show you guys the wheels actually. So these are the BBS RS704s. I'm definitely sugarcoating that because they're just BMW wheels made like by BBS. They are 17s, I think. I think they are. I think it actually says it on, yeah, they're 17s. They're actually in pretty good condition. It's all got minor curb ratcheting. This is minor to me because my previous wheels were absolutely horrendous, so I genuinely don't really care about that. Other than that, I actually really like these, and I used to hate these wheels. I used to hate these wheels with a passion. Tire situation, as you can see, this is my fitment now, because they're way bigger. I can literally stick my whole fist in there, whereas the previous wheels, it was actually pretty tight. So now coilovers are actually useful because I can now go about 2 inches lower. Fantabulous. So yeah, it needs new tires all around. The tires are absolutely horrendous. I don't know really how to describe how shit the tires are. So first glance, I have like a drag tire in the back. So what I need to run all around are 225, 45s, 17s. This is a 225, 50, 17. So you can see what a fat monster truck difference that is. The nice thing though, fitment is gonna be great. I don't even need to put spacers on anymore. It's just gonna look good. So I'm actually pretty excited about that, but I think today I'm gonna wash the car because it is absolutely horrendous. You can see. It's just gross. It's just gross. All right, so the tires. That one is freaking fat. I don't want it anymore. This one is showing wire. I think this one is the only tire that is actually fine. I can't remember to be like fully honest with you. I think this is the only tire that's actually fine. The sidewall is like completely ripped off almost. So the tire has kind of lost its integrity because for some reason it's all ripped off right here. Like all of this is ripped off. You can see how it's not, I don't even think it's flat. It's just bent in the tire because it literally has lost its integrity because somehow it's all ripped off. I'm going to check the tire pressure gauges, so. Something I do want to do, if somebody can tell me how I can actually get, I don't know what kind of bolts these are, but I was thinking of doing these in a metallic bronze or gold all around. That'd be pretty dope. But yeah, oh, here's the painted bumper. So the painted bumper, it's actually crap. The guys who did it, no offense, they're great guys, but they did a shit job, I'm not gonna lie. I honestly feel like I could have done it better myself, and I probably should have done it myself. So learn from my mistakes. If somebody tells you that they're gonna hook you up, make sure they know what they're doing, because I thought they did, and then this is what I got. Let me show you guys. So starting off, we have a crappy clear coat job. You can see the drip marks on it, yeah. For one, there's barely any clear coat to begin with, so that's great. Look at the fit. Look at the fit right now, guys. Look at the fit. I'm trying to just figure out if I can show you guys this, but okay, there you go. So as much as I love this car and I wanted it to turn into a beautiful, well done, really nice E46, it ended up turning into a piece of shit box. I gotta fix that immediately. So first thing we're gonna do, tires need to be done because I want nice tires, and 2, I don't want the one drag tire, and all of them are bound to blow up on me. So there you guys have it. I wanted to do a short wheel kind of reveal and update on the E46. Next video about the E46, which will probably be coming out soon, will definitely for sure be the what we did with the 300ZX. It'll be like the 5 things I love about the E46, and then soon there will be a video where it's the 5 things, damn B, and then soon it will be the 5 things I hate about the E46, because there's a lot of things I hate on this car, and it might be more than 5 things, but damn, I love this car. So yeah, that'll be it for me. If you want to trade the wheels for M parallels, let me know, because I would rather have M parallels, kinda. Yeah. Or just ARC 8s if you guys have ARC 8s, or BBS RS2s, or honestly, if anybody wants to trade them, let me know. I will be getting a nice set of tires on them. And yeah. Alrighty, that's the update on the E46 for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this build. Believe me, I'm not going for a crap shitbox look. I'll put the look I'm going for right here. That's what I'm doing. I know it's a slow process, but we'll get there. So yeah, that'll be it. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry for the not 1 month uploading. I'll talk about that in the latest video, or the next video. That's it for me. Thank you so much. It's me, Jaden. I'll see you guys in the next one.